Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve file system with the error code 214741639 and Windows 10 computer. So this file system with the error code 214741639 is a common issue in Windows that often occurs when trying to open certain applications or files, especially those related to Microsoft Store ecosystem, like the photos, movies, and TV or group music apps. This error can also appear when attempting to copy files. The error is typically caused by issues such as corrupted system files, incorrect service configurations, or problems with the Microsoft Store itself. Then I'll show you solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the app troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then you need to type here this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And once you open up here at troubleshooting settings, and on right side, then you need now to select this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then here at additional troubleshooters, at here at left side navigation panel, and then you need to scroll down. Underneath here at find and fix other problems, then you need to scroll down again, find and locate this Windows Store apps. So all you have to do is to click, and then you can see now this run the troubleshooters and then click. So here at detecting problems, then we need to wait to complete the initializing and diagnostic process. Alright, so troubleshooting has completed, then problems found, the service registrations is missing or corrupt, then it's already fixed. You can see now on right corner this green check mark. And also you can view the detailed informations about this problems found and then click. So here now at troubleshootings report, then you can see this, it's already complete. If there is an error again here, then you need to follow the screen instructions to fix this error, and then you need to tap or click this and next to proceed. Alright, so after here at troubleshooters, and then we need to close, and if the error is still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to reset the app. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open the Windows settings. And then once you open up this Windows settings, and then you need now to select or tap this apps and then click. And then once you open up here at apps and features, on right side corner, then you need now to select or tap this system components and then click. So here now at system components, so same here again at right corner, underneath here at related settings, then you need now to tap or click this apps and features and then click. And then once you open up here at apps and features, and then underneath here, and then you need now to find and locate or select those specific app that giving you the error, then we need to reset. All right. So for example, this is the apps that giving you a problem or error, this Cortana. So all you have to do is to select, and then you need to tap this advanced option. And then here at left side navigation panel of this app, then you need to scroll down, find and locate this reset. So all you have to do is to tap this reset, and then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then you need to click this reset, and wait to complete the reset process. And then after that, then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu. And then here you need to type this command keyword WS reset, and then you need to click this open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this command keyword WS reset to make this Microsoft Store back to default settings and to fix this error. Okay, so after again here at Microsoft Store, and then we need to close if the error is still persists. And the next solution that we're going to do is to enable the Windows License Management Services. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu. And then here you need to type this command keyword services. And then you need to click open. And once you open up here at services and services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows License Management Services. So you need to scroll down and find that this Windows License Manager services. So, but before to proceed, so we need to check this services if already running or not. So if this services is not running, then we need to open the properties and modify. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if this services if already running or not. So since this services is already running, then you can see here this restart. So all you have to do is to tap this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, then we need to close. And then here at the power button on left side corner, then we need to click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.